Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm a business development specialist for Logitech here at Jenne. I'm super excited to show you our Logitech conference room. In this room, we have our Rally Bar down there, our Logitech Sight, and our Tap 5e kit. We've designed this room to make meetings effortless, whether you're remote or in the room, and make you feel like you're a part of the table. Let me show you how this room works and what meeting with the Logitech Rally Bar actually feels like. The goal here is simple. Anyone can walk in the room, tap once, and the meeting just works, while the technology handles everything in the back. At the front of the room, we're using the Logitech Rally Bar. This is an all-in-one device. It handles the camera, speakers, microphones for the entire space. There's no extra equipment cluttering the room around it. What really sets the Rally Bar apart is its RightSense technology. The camera automatically understands who's in frame, who's speaking, how to frame them. It can show the full group, focus on the active speaker, or it can show a clear, graded view without anyone touching our control. All of that is powered by an on-device AI, so it reacts in real time and keeps meetings feeling natural instead of robotic. Rally Bar uses right sound, which is constantly cleaning up audio in real time, removing background noise like HVAC or keyboards, and reducing echo from hard surfaces. This balances everyone's voices so they sound clear and even. The speakers are built directly into the bar, so if a sound fills the room evenly, and if the room is larger, the system can scale with additional microphones or increased output without changing how anyone uses it. We also use our Logitech Sight, and this is where meetings really start to feel more inclusive, especially for people joining remotely. Sight sits at the center of the table and adds a second AI-driven camera perspective. Instead of remote participants only seeing the front of the room, they also get a view from the table where the conversation's actually happening. Sight understands who's speaking around the table and works together with the Rally Bar to automatically decide whether the front camera or the table camera gives the best view. So remote attendees see faces and reactions and not constantly the back of heads. Sight also helps with audio. It has a built-in mic pod. This brings voice pickup closer to participants and removes the need for a standalone mic pod. That helps create more even audio coverage, especially in longer rooms or meetings where people are spread out. However, if the room grows, it also has the compatibility to add Rally mic pods. This expands coverage further around the room, and from the user's point of view, nothing changes. It still just works. Now we also have the Logitech Tap. This is the only thing users need to touch. To start a meeting, you walk in, tap once. Whether you're joining a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting, it's all the same experience. It's clean and familiar. Tap is connected with the Cat 5e kit, which lets us place it wherever it makes the most sense in the room. On the table, on the wall, it uses a single cable for power and data. That keeps the table clean, reduces clutter, and gives a lot of flexibility when designing these rooms. Behind the scenes, Rally Bar is running on Logitech's CollabOS platform. That gives flexibility in how these rooms are deployed. Either running the meetings directly on the device with Android mode or adding accessories like a switch or an extend and running it on BYOD. IT teams can manage everything locally or remotely, all through Logitech Sync. While users don't have to think about any of that, they just need to walk in and meet. Once the meeting starts, the technology all fades into the background. Cameras frame people naturally, views switch automatically, voices stay clear across the room. No one's asking, can you hear me? Can you move the camera? For the people in the room, it feels effortless. For people joining remotely, it feels inclusive and engaging. When you put it all together, each piece has its own role in the room. The Rally Bar handles front of the room video and audio. The Sight adds AI-driven, center of the table views and a better voice pickup. And with the Tap Cat 5e kit, it gives users access to simple control without the clutter. For resellers, it's really easy to demonstrate and standardize. For end users, it feels intuitive from the very first meeting. To recap, our Logitech conference room offers a simple setup, smart automation, and a world-class experience you can't get anywhere else. So to learn more, please contact your Jenne sales representative and be more than happy to help you out.